Year of the Tiger, 虎年, aka the Lunar New Year is coming up. Spring Festival couplet is an important element for New Year celebration in China. You may have seen couplets like this, or even this. So you can be very creative as long as you put in your best wishes for the upcoming new year on the right, left couplet, and the horizontal scroll. One question that I got a lot is, how do I get this wrap paper? Well, there are two answers. The first answer is you buy them online. For example, you can easily find them through Amazon. This is one that I got. For this long couplet, you see there are 7 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and each of them is a red circle, and there's some reflection. If you see it closely, you can see that it's actually a dragon and a phoenix. Dragon in Chinese is long, phoenix in Chinese is feng, so long feng together is a very good symbol in China. And we have the idiom like 龙凤呈祥, which means long dragon and feng, phoenix together. That means good thing will happen. And then this one will also be included, where we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 places for 4 characters. And this is for the horizontal scroll. For example, you have the right couplet and the left couplet, and then in the middle you will need this horizontal scroll. So this is the easy answer. There's a harder choice. Well, sometimes people don't want to write 7 characters. Theoretically, you can have as many characters as you want. In that case, you need to create your own couplet. And in that case, you will need to buy this. Well, if you unfold it, it's super big. Here we don't have those dragon and phoenix long feng circle. Instead, we have some golden dots here. And the gold or yellow come really well with the red. So all these golden dots give it a sense of happiness. Pour ink. Get my new brush soaked out. Yeah, sometimes you want to add some water to the ink, but just a little bit. Okay, this is the sky. So let's write basically here.